Another beautiful autumn day, a November day, here in the Catskills, 63 degrees out. And my wife came with me fishing for the first time. There's this area on Route 28 that has a park bench. And she decided to take some videos unbeknownst to me. She wanted to document my dressing up in a rubber outfit. And why I never came home with any fish. And why I paid a man to show me where the fish are, and I still come home with no fish. Well, I only started fly fishing a few weeks ago because I never lived near a stream. It is so serene. You do look good out there. You're wearing a uniform, although I have a discount fly fishing outfit. Waders cost me $40, a vest $25, and a hat $11. Compared to some of these fishermen who are decked out in Calvin Klein fishing wear, about $1,200. Well, my wife sat on the bench and she played with her phone and watched me and shook her head. And she kept asking, where are the fish? Well, I don't know, but this stream flows into the Ashokan Reservoir, which is New York City's drinking water, about 2 miles up from where it empties in. And this is basically everybody from New York City's drinking water coming down this way. At least 1 billion gallons a day. For those of you who are drinking out of a Perrier bottle. Well, this is her first fishing phone. This is her iPhone. And now she knows that I am really going fishing when I say. And I really didn't catch any fish. So, I don't know if she's going to make any more of these documentaries, but I'm not so sure she wants to go fishing with me anymore.